day everyone, my name is Shaina May D. Largo and I am going to discuss graphing quadratic function. So let's start. So our problem is f of x equals x squared plus 8x minus 6. So our a is 1 and b 8 and c is negative 6. Step 2 is solve for the vertex. And our formula of the vertex is h plus negative b over 2a. Ang negative b is, papalitan natin ito ng negative 8. Why? Dahil ang b is 8 over 2 and 1. So, copy the 8 and 2 times 1 is 2. And then, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So, negative 4 is our vertex. And then, next is distribute the x into 4. So, f of 4, negative 4 equals negative 4 squared plus 8 negative 4 minus 6. So, negative 4 squared is positive 16. And 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. And copy the 6. Next is 16 minus 32 is negative 16. And copy the 6. And then next is negative 16 minus 6 is negative 22. Step 3 is make a table of values. So our negative 4 is dapat nandito siya sa gitna. And then negative 3, negative 2, negative 5, and negative 6. So step 4 is solve for the y values. So our negative 4, the y values is negative 22. Next, distribute the x into negative 3. F of negative 3 equals negative 3 squared plus 8 times negative 3 and negative 6. So, negative 3 squared is positive 9. 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Copy the 6. And then 9 minus 24 is negative 15. Copy the 6. And negative 15 minus 6 is negative 21. So our y values of negative 3 is negative 21. F of negative 2 equals negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 and negative 6. And then negative 2 squared is negative 4. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. And copy the 6. And 4 minus 16 is negative 12 minus 6. And negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18. So our y values of negative 2 is negative 18. Next. So next is negative 5. F of negative 5 equals negative 5 squared plus 8 times negative 5 minus 6. And then negative 5 squared is positive 25 plus 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. Negative 40, then copy the 6, and then 25 minus 40 is 15. 15, negative 15 minus 6. And then negative 15 minus 6 is negative 21. So our y values of negative 5 is negative 21. Last is negative 6. F of negative 6 equals negative 6 squared plus 8 times negative 6 minus 6. And negative 6 squared is positive 36. And then 8 times negative 6 is negative 48. And copy the 6. And 36 minus 48 is 12. Negative 12 minus 6. And negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18. So our y values of negative 6 is negative 18. So our last step is graph the points. So our points is negative 6 and negative 18. Next is negative 5 and negative 21. And next is negative 4 and negative 22. Next is negative 3 and negative 21. And the last one is negative 2 and negative 18. So this is our graph. And that's all. Thank you.